Annual Return, Society Club of West Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Swati DCPL, and we are back with annual filing of return for Society Club in West Bengal. Before annual filing of return, entry record of the society has to be uploaded and approved by Registrar of Society. As per the West Bengal Societies Registration Act 1961, every society shall have to file annual return to the registrar. For annual filing of societies, first you have to log in this West Bengal government site as per the picture. You have to insert the username, then the password, then the CAPTCHA word, and then log in to the site for filing the return. After successful logging in this site, you will find a tag right on the right side of the page written annual filing of returns. You have to click in that option. After clicking on the tab annual filing of returns, you will find a page where it shows the instructions and the requirements for annual filing of returns, like the eligibility criteria, who are the ones who have to file this return, the documents that are required for filing the return, the fees and the CSC fees, everything in details will be given here. You have to click on the apply button just below the instructions. Now after clicking on that page, you will get a page showing the application for annual filing of return. In this page, you have to first insert the registration number of the society and the name of the society. Once you have entered this, you will find an icon named search. Once you click on that search, the fields like the basic information of the applicant will be automatically pre-filled from the entry record of the Registrar of Societies. Once these are pre-filled, then you will get certain details like a mobile number, the address and the register office of the address of the society. You have to fill in details like the municipality name, police station, PIN code, the post office address and other details till the entire field has been filled up. After that, you have to click on save and next. Now this page will appear after filling up the last page. That is the date of annual general meeting. You have to insert this. The date of previous annual general meeting will automatically get pre-filled. After that, you have to enter the number of members as on the date of the annual general meeting. Then you have to fill the name of the auditor, the first name, the middle name and the last name. Then the address of the auditor in details like the block, municipality, police station, PIN code and various other details. After that, you have to insert the name of the president and the secretary along with their mobile number and email ID. Once you finish filling all these fields, you have to go to save and next for the next page. After you fill all the details and go to save and next, now you find this page coming, that is view application details for annual filing of returns. That is the information that you have filled in the last 2-3 forms or 2-3 pages. The entire information will come in a gist, which includes the application number, name of applicant, date of application, date of birth, age, gender, mobile number. You have already inserted in those pages, which automatically gets summarized in this page. And if you want to edit anything in that application, you have an option below, that is edit application. You can edit your application or any mistakes, or you want to change something, you can do it from that. Or if you do not want to change anything, you find information correct, you have to go to that option attach supporting document, where you have to attach the attachments that are required while filing the return. Once you have finished checking all the information, you have to click on the attach supporting document. After you have clicked on that attachments, you will get a page for attaching the attachments, that is supporting document details for annual filing of returns. The first document that you need to attach is audited accounts. This audited account should be duly signed by the President, Secretary and the auditor who is auditing the accounts for the society. Now, if you are filing the return only for the previous year, then you have to attach only the audited accounts of the previous year. If you are filing the return for last 3 previous years, then you have to sum up, or you have to join the PDFs, and you have to attach the files together in audited accounts. After that, you have annual report, same as the annual report that you are going to prepare for the last financial year or 3 previous financial years or 2, whatever may be your case, you have to attach it together. After that, you have executive committee. You have to provide a list of name, address, occupation of this executive committees of every previous year, financial years. After that, you have to provide completed form 6. After that, any other relevant document that is required while filing the return is the minutes of the AGM, which they require to be submitted. Now the minutes, if you are submitting for 1 financial year, then you will provide the minutes for 1. If for 3, you have to provide for 3. Other than that, if you are not in default, only the previous year is being filed, you need not attach any other document. But if you are in default and you have not submitted the annual return for at least more than 1 financial year, you need to provide an NOC for not filing, giving the reasons for not filing the return on time. After that, after attaching all the attachments under the field upload file, you have to click save and next for the next page. After submitting all the documents and doing save and next, your application gets submitted, means the return gets submitted. After the return is submitted, you have to wait for the return getting approved from the part of the society's office. Okay, so for tracking the application whether it is approved or not, you have to go under track application and you have to search the AIN number with which you have submitted the return of that particular society. If you check the status is being approved, then it's approved, fine. If it doesn't get approved, you will get an icon like send back. So you have to find out the reasons for sending back of the application. Means you having some discrepancies with the document that you have submitted, that is not getting approved. If your return is under send back mode, then you have to find out the reason for sending it back by the society. You find an icon in just view. If you click on that, you find that documents that is again which has been discrepancies, or that you have to submit extra than the documents that have been already submitted with the society. On clicking that, you will find out the documents that needs to be submitted. You will go to the respective fields, respective document fields, and attach the modified or the rectified document that you have prepared in requirement for the society. Once you click and resubmit the document, then you have to go to next icon to submit the fresh or rectified document. After uploading all the required documents that have been asked to be rectified or changed by the society's registrar, you have to again go to action taken under the track application mode and check whether the documents that have been uploaded have been accepted by the registrar. Once it is accepted, you will get a comment saying the accepted for payment, then you have to make the payment for the return that have been submitted. That is 1 or 2 or 3 financial years. Accordingly, your payment amount will change. Once the payment is been done, you have to upload the challan for the payment here. Once the challan has been uploaded, you have to again go to the action taken under track application to check the status of the approval. Once the status of the approval is forwarded for approval to the registrar, then you will find that the application has been approved, and it takes some time, as you know that there are various departments from which the approval is being held up with. So the application approval takes some time. Once the application is been approved, you are going to get the copy of the return that has been approved. Now once the status of your return gets approved by the registrar, you have to again go to track application and check the AIN number for this particular society. Once you go and check the AIN number of that society, you are going to find that the annual filing of returns icon, under which you will get that the application status is approved with a date. You find a PDF icon just below that. On clicking on that, you will get the approval acknowledgement for the return that is filed. You have to download that and keep and save as an attachment for completion of the entire return for the society. Now we come to the end of filing the return of societies under Societies Registration Act. We will be coming soon with other related topics. Till then, stay tuned to our channel and please subscribe, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.